Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by prepping hair and product. Wet hair with lukewarm water until fully saturated so the shampoo spreads evenly. Once done, measure 0.5 to 1 teaspoon for short hair or 1-2 teaspoons for longer lengths. This prevents overuse and buildup. Make sure to remove heavy styling oils first. If hair is very dirty, do a quick clarifying pre-rinse. The why? Correct water temperature and dose. Activate the System Professional formula for balanced cleansing and efficient distribution. You now apply the shampoo with intent. Dispense into your palm and target the scalp and roots where oil accumulates, not only the lengths. Once applied, use your fingertips to massage in gentle circular motions for about 60 to 90 seconds. This increases blood flow and helps the formula penetrate. Make sure to emulsify into a light lather before spreading. The why is that thorough, gentle massage lifts sebum and debris without roughening the hair cuticle, protecting the mid-lengths and ends. You finish the wash by rinsing thoroughly until water runs clear. This usually takes 30 to 60 seconds and prevents residue that dulls hair. Once rinsed, apply a compatible conditioner from mid-length to ends and leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes to restore moisture, then rinse. When done, pat dry gently and style as usual. If you experience irritation or heavy buildup afterward, make sure to stop use. Clarify with a mild clarifying shampoo. And if needed, patch test to identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.